Now, forum visualizations is over here. It groups all your forums into 4 different categories. One is how many unique users contributed to a discussion, how many discussion has been posted, how many unique users contributed to that discussion, how many replies has been made, and how many unique students contributed to that reply. So this basically give you an idea which forum is more used or which forum is lesser used. This part I couldn't show you now, but it gives you an idea of how many posts has been made within last 24 hours and in which forum those are in. It gives you a pie chart. Now, if you want to go in detail of the visualization, you can click over here and it will show you all those information in text, as you can see, and you can next see the visualization. Let me click, choose one, suppose this one, which has a 70 post by 24 unique users, and there are 2 discussions. So if I click on the visualization, this is how it looks. So as you can see, this is how it looks. The plus is the starting point, and you can read from here. You don't have to go to the actual forum and read one by one. It's a quick way to read. So quickly you can read it over here. This is a reply to that initial forum post. This is reply to a reply. Same as you can read all of this, all of the forums that you like. So this one don't have all the options. If you look at the actual how it looks from your point of view, this is what you will be able to see. So for an example, bright red will give you an idea that you have replied to or you have posted something. That comes as a bright red. Any plus means that's the starting point of the conversation. Any big icon, which means which has been posted within last 24 hours. And as you know, like this, all the branches, basically it shows all the branches. So it gives you an overall idea, very quick idea, and to go through all the forum posts if you want to go through it.